all day. I would come home, like eat dinner with my husband and get right on to looking at emails and reviewing documents until probably like 9, 10 o'clock at night. So it just became like a 24/7 thing, which is not the reason that I decided to stay in my solo practice. And I would always tell myself the story of like, you'll always be a $10,000 a month lawyer, always. Like, there's nothing you can do about that. That's what people pay you. That's what you make a month. So I started looking around for coaches. I did have some other interviews with some other programs. I spoke with somebody in sales for how to manage. They said, oh, well, we're going to do this boot camp and it's in Orlando, and I'm in Orlando. So I was like, oh, that's convenient. When I sat in that room, I was like, okay, either I'm going to do this and like move forward and learn something from this and change my firm, or I'm going to close it up and just give up and go work for somebody. The business plan helped me decide and be clear on like what my goal was and why I was doing all of this. And it helped me break down, you know, where I should be focusing my energy and how much, you know, I should be charging to get to the number I wanted to get to. I had never done that before. It was always kind of just like, all right, whatever comes in, and whatever I do that month, I do. And so now with that business plan, I'm able to like look back on it and be like, okay, did I talk to as many prospective clients as I needed to this month? Did I close as many people as I needed to close this month to get to this ultimate number at the end of the year? And I think before I would tell myself the story of like, you have to be a 20-year practicing attorney to have any kind of success. Like, nobody's going to take you seriously. Like, you'll never be able to afford a building right now. Once I saw other people doing things and like breaking like their barriers, it inspired me to like push past this belief of like, I'm always going to be a $10,000 a month attorney. I can't afford staff. I have my office manager, legal assistant working with me part-time, as well as a full-time legal assistant / intake person, which I was coached to look for. And I can tell you it's been the best decision that I made. Why do I have my solo practice? Like, what was the purpose? And I think ultimately, like, I realized it was to have the family that I want to have and spend time the way that I want to do that in and be the mom that I want to be. And I can very much tell you that that was like my biggest thing. And now it's all happening for me. And I have not been a $10,000 attorney in a very long time, I have to say. It's nice.